Hello everyone and welcome to the AR world. Welcome to MCQ series for CBSE class 10 on the chapter power sharing. And today we will be having the important MCQs from this chapter, that is power sharing of class 10 CBSE civics chapter 1. So without wastage of time, let's get started. So in this series we will be having a lot of MCQs for you. Let's have the first question. Which of the following features are common to Indian and Belgian form of power sharing arrangements? Okay, first is power shared among governments at different levels. So in the first option, we can say that this is not the correct option. Why? Because power is not shared among different levels. Here it is the community government in Belgium. It's not like in India we have state government, central government. They are not dependent, they are independent, right? B. Power is shared among different organs of government. Yes, this is correct. Right? Power is shared among different social groups. Absolutely. Power is shared among different parties and takes the form of competition. Yes. So we are able to see that B, C, and D are correct. So your options are A, B, C, D, B, B, C, D, C, A, and C, and D, A, C, D. So your answer should be B, C, D. This is your correct answer. Moving on to the second question, which says in dealing with power sharing, which one of the following statements is not correct about democracy? A. People are the source of all political power. B. In a democracy, people rule themselves. Just ignore this. Through institutions of self-governance. C. In a democracy, due respect is given to diverse groups and views that exist in a society. Or D. In a democracy, if the power to decide is dispersed, it is not possible to take quick decisions and enforce them. Which is not correct according to you. What do you think? Just think and let me know in the chat box. Okay, I hope all of you must have thought the answer is D. See, in a democracy, far to be decided is dispersed. It's not possible to take quick decisions and enforce them. It is definitely possible, right, to take quick decisions in a democratic form of government. Okay, so this is definitely possible. Question 3. A belief that the majority community should be able to rule a country in whichever way it wants by disregarding the wishes and needs of the minority is what? Power sharing, central government, majoritarianism, community government. What do you think? The time's up. Definitely it's majoritarianism. So I would like to explain over here about, yeah. Yes. So what is exactly this majoritarianism? That majority people are going to vote. Majority people are able to rule the country whichever way they want, disregarding the needs of the people. 1 second. Yes, so this is known as your majoritarianism. I don't know what. I think I was having some kind of an issue. Okay, so majoritarianism, and in Sri Lanka also we know that the Sinhala people who were in majority, they dominated the Tamil people who were in minority. Okay, they disregarded their wishes, right, which was not good at all. Previous questions also we have gone through it, right? Fourth question, a system of checks and balances is another name for which one of the following power sharing arrangements? What do you think? The options are in front of you. I think I should go to the PowerPoint so that I can at least write. So do you think it is going to be among different social groups, or vertical division among different levels of government, horizontal division of power shared among different organs of government, or power shared in form of political parties, pressure groups and movements? System of checks and balances. So a hint I am giving you that each organ can check the other, right? And because of this check, a balance is going to be definitely maintained. So what do you think? Yes, it is horizontal form of a government in which the power is shared among the legislator, My handwriting is not going to be good today, okay? Just pardon me. Executive and judiciary, and these three can have a check on each other that how they are performing. Okay, so that can be done. Okay, wait a second. Now am I visible? Fine. Right. Next question. Which one of the following statements about power sharing arrangement is correct? Now we are talking about the power sharing arrangement. Power sharing is necessary only in societies which have religious, linguistic, or ethnic divisions. This is wrong because power sharing is essential everywhere. Okay, because we read two reasons, prudential and moral, right? Second, power sharing is suitable only for big countries that have regional divisions. No, for small countries like Belgium and Sri Lanka also it is suitable. See, every society needs some form of power sharing, even if it is small or does not have social divisions. Yes, this is correct, and power sharing is not necessary at all. So you've got your correct answer, that is C. Okay, moving ahead. Now this is the star question for today. Important from the examination perspective because this can be asked as well. Now we have to consider the following statements. Just give me a second. Okay, fine. Yeah. So some statements are given to you. Now you have to see accordingly. A says major social groups such as Sinhala speaking, 74% and Tamil speaking. Okay, so definitely it was correct. Sinhala speaking was 74, Tamil were 18 only. Among the Tamils, there are two subgroups, Sri Lankan Tamils and Indian Tamils. This is also correct. There are about 7% Christians who are both Tamil and Sinhala. Yes, so correct. And last statement, most of the Sinhala speaking are Hindus or Muslims and most of the Tamil speaking are Buddhists. This is wrong. So your answer becomes A, B and C. This was actually most Sinhala are Buddhist speaking and Tamils are Hindus and Muslims. So your answer becomes A, B and C. These three statements are correct. This is wrong. Seventh question on your screen. Prudential reasons of power sharing stress on the facts that A. It ensures the stability of political order. B. It reduces the possibility of conflict between social groups. C. It gives fair share to minority. Or D. It is the very spirit of democracy. So now they are asking that which statement according to you is correct. What do you think? Which statement is going to be correct? Your time's up. A, B and C, because prudential reason is not the spirit of democracy. It is going to ensure political stability, it will reduce conflicts, it will give fair share to minority, but this is not a part of prudential reason, this is a part of your moral reason. Okay, now we have one question on fill in the blanks, right? So you can just have a look at it. There are 6 questions. Actually, this question I am giving you in your homework. You have to let me know the answers in the comment section. I'll just discuss first 3. This last 3 you have to. When European countries came together to form European Union, Dash was chosen as its headquarters. What do you think? Which place was chosen? Yes, the answer is Brussels. Actually, many people say Brussels, but actually it's Brussels, right? SS silent. The dash distribution of power is also known as system of checks and balances horizontal. Okay, now the screen was visible only. Okay, horizontal. The religion followed by Sinhala speaking people in Sri Lanka is Buddhism, right? Buddhism was followed. Dash division, these 3 are for your homework. Do let me know in the comment section. I will be waiting for your responses. So thank you so much for attending the session, and these are the answers for the homework question: Brazil, horizontal, Buddhism, and these 3 I have given you: federal, Belgium and 1956. You can just have a look and read it. So by this session you have practiced a lot of MCQs. Hope it was helpful. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for upcoming videos on MCQ series. and you have to make this series, that is our MCQ series, a super duper hit, right guys? So do not forget to like and subscribe.